Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, stock number 6914. It's ran from the 4th 2013 and the 2nd 2022. It has a WK 3 litre V6 diesel turbo engine backed by 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a WK 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine. Left front 20-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand aftermarket door mirror, left front door, one paint chip. Rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory mega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front aftermarket door mirror, right front guard, right front 20-inch factory mega tyre, right hand headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, front curtains light, sunglass holder, interior mirror, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,